How to fix connected without internet, Wi-Fi or hotspot problem. So if you're facing a problem with connected without internet on your Wi-Fi or your hotspot, then the first thing you need to do is just wait for a few minutes, 2 to 5 minutes, because it might be not on your phone, but it might be the router problem. So you just need to simply wait for 2 to 5 minutes. And even after waiting for that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply turn off your router and turn it on again. Once you've done that, you need to open up your settings on your device and you need to go with network and internet and choose your network. Go with settings, which is on the right side. Once you're under the settings, now you need to scroll down and here you need to go and make sure that you have randomized MAC address. You can simply go with advanced options, and under that you need to go with metered by data and choose detect automatically, and go with proxy and tap on none and go with IP address and make sure that you've chosen DHCP. And under the privacy, you need to make sure that you've chosen use randomized MAC default and then go with save. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply go and forget that network and again connect to that network, and it might fix your problem. So that's how you can fix connected without internet, Wi-Fi or hotspot problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.